making an extra $2,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 per month online, you're leaving money on the table. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 6 of the best side hustles that you can start this year. And these side hustles requires $0 to get started with. All you need is a couple of hours in your day in order to get these side hustles done. Let's dive right into the first one, and that is become a video editor. Now, there are a lot of content being created each day, and I can almost guarantee that most creators suck at editing their videos, or they don't like to do it. Whether it be for YouTube, TikTok, or even Instagram Reels, there are a lot of people that will definitely outsource this to people that are willing to do it for them, or people that enjoy doing it. So if you have some expertise in editing videos, this could be the perfect side hustle for you to do and make a couple of $100s per day. Let's talk about the second best side hustle for this year, and that is selling digital products online. Now, if you're someone that doesn't want to show your face, but you're looking for a way to make thousands of dollars per month, then selling digital products online would be the best side hustle to consider. It doesn't require you to have any technical skills. You can actually put whatever you already know within an ebook and sell it to your audience. It does include a step-by-step process that you will need to follow in order for this to work. Now, with this side hustle, you can sell so many different digital products, from planners, meal guides, templates, and so much more. Once you have knowledge in a certain topic, you can actually monetize that on your social media platform, and you can do this without showing your face at all. And I went ahead and include 80 of them in my description below that you can download for free, and you can look through and see which of these digital products are best for you. With the growth of Discord, there are so many servers that requires a Discord community manager, and if you're someone that is great at coordinating and also customer service, becoming a Discord community manager might be the best side hustle for you. And not a lot of people are talking about this, but there are so many creators out there that requires your service, and it includes you ensuring that there are no spam comments, or you ensuring that you're answering questions on that server. So if you're someone that likes to do chat jobs or moderating jobs, becoming a Discord community manager would be the perfect side hustle for you. If you're someone with an upbeat attitude and organizational skill, this could be the perfect side hustle for you, and it's easy to get into. All you need to do is reach out to top content creators on Instagram, TikTok, and also on YouTube. Most of them do have a Discord community. This next side hustle has the potential to make you $750 per day or 6 figures a year, and the great part is you can do it as a side hustle, or you can turn it into a full-blown business, and this is becoming a sales closer. Now, a lot of companies out there, they struggle to get new clients and sales in their business, and even if they're getting clients, they struggle to close those clients. And if you have great negotiation skills, communication, and you have closing techniques, there are companies that will pay you big bucks in order to convert those clients into paying ones. So the bottom line is, a sales closer is super important for any organization, because a lot of companies survive from getting sales. So a sales closer is definitely one of those side hustles that you can consider if you have an upbeat attitude, if you have great skills in communication and is able to convince and persuade people, if you also understand the psychology of how to sell, or the heart of selling, if you also understand how to present value to a customer or client in order for them to feel secure in purchasing a product or service. Now, the next side hustle that can make you hundreds of dollars per day is becoming a marketing agency. Now, marketing agency, they make a ton of money because a lot of companies also requires marketing, and if you have expertise in Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram, WhatsApp ads, you should definitely consider this as one of the highest paying side hustles that you can do. I don't want you to get confused with a sales closer. YouTuber and a marketing agency because they have different roles. With a marketing agency, it is their responsibility to increase the online presence and branding of a company. And a lot of companies, they lack this and they lack the trust in order for people and their potential customers to get to know them better. So as a marketing agency or someone with marketing experience, you'll be responsible for branding, and that includes branding their website and their social media. It also includes staying on top of their social media posts and also getting their online presence increased. So if you're someone that's good at Facebook ads, you're good at social media management, and you're also a creative thinker, you can actually open an agency that is dedicated to helping companies. The next best side hustle that you should consider starting this year is building a YouTube channel. Now, hear me out. While YouTube does take a while for you to actually make money from, it's definitely a long-term investment that is worth it. Now, in order to become monetized on YouTube, you will need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. And I know a lot of people shy away from becoming a YouTube content creator or becoming a YouTuber, and I can tell you that I have jumped the hurdles and I understand. Now, I decided to relaunch my YouTube channel on January 1st of 2025. That was getting 0 subscribers and 0 views per day, and I did this by implementing a strategy. Now, being a YouTuber isn't easy. It does take time. It is definitely a long-term investment, but it's definitely worth it because the thing about YouTube is that you are sharing your knowledge and expertise with the world. And if you're someone that loves that, then starting a YouTube channel should definitely be a great side hustle for you. And the best thing about a YouTube channel is not only that you can monetize your content, but you can also build a community and a long-term community where people will subscribe and support you on every video that you make. So starting a YouTube channel is definitely one of the best side hustles. There are different ways that you can get paid as a YouTuber, and it includes memberships, it includes AdSense, and it also includes affiliates placed within your description or even sponsorship. So YouTube is definitely a full-blown business, and you can start out as a side hustle, and over time you will reap the benefits. Now, when you're starting a YouTube channel, yes, it may feel cringy at first. I remember when I just started my first video on here, it was just me recording my screen, and afterwards I started doing face-to-face camera. But remember, these days you don't have to sit in front of a camera. You can literally start a YouTube channel by doing faceless automation, and it's definitely where you do not show your face at all. You can use stock footage or stock videos and create your channel. So if you are looking for one of the best side hustles to start this year, YouTube is definitely hands down one of those side hustles that you can start and make thousands of dollars with per month. Now, I know there are plenty of other side hustles that I spoke about in my other videos, and I've included a playlist for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I'll see you in my next video.